Let's take a look at how we can create links between CAD files and non-CAD files in SOLIDWORKS PDM. I have a Word document here, and here I have a SOLIDWORKS part. I want to add the specification document as a reference to the sample design SOLIDWORKS part. So first thing, I need to check out the SOLIDWORKS part since I'm planning on adding a reference to it. Once the file is checked out, then I'm going to copy the Word document. Just a simple Control-C works as well. Then on the solid part, I will right-click and paste as reference. This is the important step here. This is going to attach the Word document as a reference to the SOLIDWORKS part. I'll hit OK. After the file has been attached, I do need to check the file back in to save that change. You can see now the specification document is listed as a reference. And this will kind of travel along with the SOLIDWORKS part in the check in and out dialogues, state changes, and it'll also appear in the Contains tab. So I will check this in. Now with the SOLIDWORKS part selected, if I make my way over to the Contains tab, we can see that the document has been listed as a reference. And vice versa, if I select the specification document and go to the Where Used tab, we can see that it is used by the sample design SOLIDWORKS part. This same methodology could be used to link other non-CAD files to one another, such as pictures, PDFs, Excel documents, and any other kind of file that you need to attach with this sort of digital paperclip in PDM.